Are you tired of using heavy JavaScript frameworks like React and Vue just to add a small interactive feature? Meet HTMX, a 5 KB library that brings power back to HTML. And in this video, I will explain what HTMX is, why it's awesome, and why you should care. Say goodbye to heavy JS frameworks. Add interactivity using just HTML. It is a tiny only 5 KB. HTMX is a small JavaScript library that lets you make your HTML pages interactive without writing JavaScript. It works using HTML attributes like hxget or hxpost. That's right, no virtual DOM, no state management, just HTML that does more. A small JavaScript library, add AJAX, WebSocket, and SSE with HTML attributes. No need for JS frameworks. Uses HX attributes. Why use HTMX? Because it's a super simple. You can create interactive websites without ever touching a single line of JavaScript. Plus, it works with any backend like Flask, Django, Laravel, you name it. No JavaScript needed. Works with any backend. Super lightweight, easy to learn. Who should use it? HTMX is perfect for backend developers who don't want to learn complex front-end frameworks, or for beginners who want to make dynamic sites without diving deep into JavaScript. Even advanced developers love it for quick prototypes. Backend developers, full stack beginners, rapid prototyping, minimalist developers. So here is a quick sneak peek, just one line of code and your page becomes interactive. This button loads server content dynamically, and we will build this step by step in the next video. When we click on this button, it will fetch the HTML, then replace the targeted div. So that's a HTMX, clean, fast, and powerful. In the next video, we will build our first HTMX project step by step. So if you like this intro, hit the like, subscribe, and comment if you are excited for the series.